How to use live translation on iOS. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Inside the Accessibility menu, look for an option called Live Captions. This is where you'll set up real-time transcriptions and translations. Tap on Live Captions to open its settings. Here you'll see a few options. The main one is Live Captions, which lets you see captions in real time while using apps, videos, or during conversations. Below that, there's Keep Calls Captions. It means how much time you want the call's captions be saved, 1 minute or 1 hour. You can also change the spoken language by tapping the language setting inside the Live Captions menu. Pick the language you prefer, and iOS will do its best to translate other spoken languages into your chosen language as you use the phone. And that's it. With live captions and call transcription turned on, your iPhone will help you follow along with conversations and translations in real time. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.